Okay, you have a PDF document and you want to edit it like a Word document. In this video, I'll show you how. This is Dave's Tech Rescue, where I solve your problems with computers, internet and technology. If you have a question you'd like to ask me, leave it in the comments below and I'll do my best to answer it. And remember to subscribe so you don't miss my next video where I might be answering your question. Today we'll be looking at how to convert a PDF file into a Word document. This is one of the most common questions on the internet. To see what I mean, just type the word convert into Google. The search results show all sorts of solutions out there, but how do you know which ones to choose? What many people don't know is if you have Microsoft Word, then you already have a PDF converter because it's built into the most recent versions of Word. What I'm about to show you works in Word 2013 and any newer versions of Word, and that includes the version that comes with Office 365. What you need to do is open Word, and then go to Open, and then go to Browse. Now you need to look for the place on the computer where the PDF file is stored. Click on the PDF, and click Open. Now this message tells you that Word is going to do its best to open the PDF document, and it warns you that things might not look quite how you expect and it's going to take a little while. So click OK. And there's our document. You should be able to click in and edit and make any changes to the document. When you're finished, just click Save as you normally would on a Word document. You'll probably find that some PDF files work better than others. There are some PDFs that can be made from a text document, so if it was made originally in Word, then it's probably going to work in Word very well. But if the PDF was made from a scanned document, then what you're looking at on a scanned document is pretty much just a photograph of a page, and that doesn't always work very well when you convert it back into text. So try it, and if it works, then great. As always, let me know in the comments below how you got on, and if you found this video helpful, please give it the thumbs up. If you'd like to see more tutorials from me, click on my face below and hit the red subscribe button. And while you're here, why not check out one of my other videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.